out.
Do you want the baby to get out now?
Yes.
Why?
Please go with that.
Why?
Let's go with that guy that Maggie Batters.
Oh, okay. Make me feel better?
Doesn't make you feel better if the doctor gave you medicine.
Yeah, the doctor gave me medicine. I'll feel
Make a
better.
big get out.
Yeah, the baby's not gonna come out yet.
They want me medicine for the big get out. Alright?
Alright.
Good, Mike. Really good, Mike.
Narinig niyo yun, guys. Good, mommy. How to cover your mouth when you're stuffing? Like that? Like that? Oh, wow.
Like that, you could try, Mike. You go arms like that. Like that, try.
Okay, you're
Now
so
try
good.
to put your hands.
Like that?
No, mine, not there, like that. You, mine, very good at that.
Oh, thank you, honey. Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Friday, everyone. Thanks God it's Friday. It's currently 1:37 ng hapon, guys. And meron tayong lakad ngayon. Baby girl, honey. Baba. Baba. Shh. Close the door. Ang ating bata ay nakikichismis. Oh, come here. What's going on there? Huh?
What's going there?
Who's outside?
Who's that side?
Who?
That teacher is a Tito.
Tita and Tito?
Yes, come on, guys.
Okay. Meron daw tita at tito sa harapan ng bahay, guys. Binibisita yata nila si Lola dyan sa harapan. Anyways, kami lang ngayon ni Baby Paris dito sa bahay kasi si Daddy Mike natin ay nag-work sa office. I-ask nga natin si Paris, guys, kung alam niya. Anak! Anak, come here! Do you know where Daddy is?
No, office.
Where?
In office.
In the office. Ayan. So, maagang maaga na umalis si Daddy Mike kaninang umaga. Mga ano yata siya nagising? Mga 4:30, mga ganun. 4:30 to 5 siya nagising. And then, yun na nga, nagwo-worry nga siya sa akin kasi nga ako lang dito mag-isa sa bahay with Baby Paris kasi nga walang childcare si Paris today kasi Friday. Eh, nag-aalala siya kasi alam niyo naman si Baby Paris natin naghahanap ng full attention and all. At kung ako lang mag-isa dito, wala akong parang katuwang ba. Anyways, Paris has been a really good girl today. Nandito na kami ngayon sa labas, guys. It's actually my lunch break. Pero yung gagawin namin, pupunta kami ng doktor. So, na-mention ko na before sa previous video natin na I'm going to do the NIP test. So, yun yung test where they take a blood sample from me. And I think dalawang tube daw yung kukunin nila. And with that test, guys, parang iti-check nila kung merong issue si baby. Knock on wood naman, guys, no? Hopefully, there's nothing na ganyan. But, yeah, that test will actually say kung merong, ang tawag dito, yung Down syndrome, yung trisomy, hindi ko na maalala, guys, but I'll just put some information dito sa screen para alam nyo yung test na yun. So, that's what I'm doing, and yeah, and also with this one thing na naalala ko din, guys, with this test, we're able to find out the baby's gender at this early stage, but the result is not instant, so it will take like 5 to 8 days before makabalik yung result. So ngayon, yung gagawin namin ni Baby Paris, ayan, pupunta kami ng doktor without daddy, so hopefully mag-behave siya. Anak, you be a good girl for mommy, ha? And then we're gonna go to the shops after that, guys, kasi si Daddy Mike nag-message siya sa akin na just a while ago na sabi niya bumili ka ng toilet paper kasi yung government, yung ano namin dito sa Melbourne, nag-ano na naman siya ng lockdown. So magla-lockdown kami in Melbourne for 5 days. Kaya yun, sabi niya bumili ka ng toilet paper. I don't know why toilet paper yung pinagpabili ni Daddy Mike. But yeah, oh my God, we're back at it again, guys. Parang na-enjoy namin yung ano, yung parang liberty. Yes, honey girl. What's going on? Ay, shush! Okay, alis na muna kami, guys, ha? Para kasi malay tayo. So, guys, kakarating lang namin dito. Kakapark ko lang. And itong ating baby girl ay super smart. Hindi niya nga alam kung saan kami, pero medyo nakita siguro niya dun sa harapan. Sabi niya, I don't wanna go to the doctor's, mommy. Yes,
I
anak?
like a doctor.
You don't like to go to the doctor's?
You're gonna go and check your baby tummy.
That's right. So it's mommy checking the baby in the tummy.
Yeah, it hurts.
Yeah, it's not for you, okay? So it's fine.
That's fine. There's mommy's hurts.
Yeah, so don't be scared, okay?
It's my mommy with here. This is my brother's here and my
That's right. We're just checking mommy's tummy.
Just the baby in the tummy. The baby get out. It's the baby get out.
The baby is not coming out yet. We're just checking. Because we're making sure that baby sister or brother is fine, okay?
Hey, the doctor said we check.
What is it?
The baby get out. There's case called the baby get out.
Do you want the baby to get out now?
Yes.
Why?
It's case called with that.
Why?
That's case called with that's got the Maggie Batters.
Oh, okay. Make me feel better.
It doesn't make you feel better if the doctor gave you medicine.
Yeah, the doctor gave me medicine. I'll feel better.
The baby get out.
Yeah, the baby's not gonna come out yet.
The mommy medicine for the baby get out. Alright?
Alright.
Good, my. Good, my.
Narinig niyo yun, guys. Good, mommy.
My, can I find that one for me with the versus the wall fine?
What do you say?
Please.
Sure, honey. We're gonna go in now, okay? Huh? It's for mommy.
That's for mommy to take your baby.
That's right. Hi guys, guess what? Kailangan naming umuwi ng bahay, guys. Take 2 na to siya. Kailangan naming umuwi kasi nakalimutan ko yung paperwork natin. Ayan, hindi nila gagawin yung test without this paperwork. Kaya kailangan kong mag-drive pabalik ng bahay.
I'll stay here, mommy.
Listen to Paris, guys. What was that, na?
I'll stay here a minute.
You'll stay here?
Uh-huh.
So I'll go in and you'll stay here?
Mm-hmm.
Why is that?
That's for me, no.
Hmm?
For me, no. Alright?
What is that?
For me, no. That me, no, right?
Yeah, but I can't leave you in the car. Gusto niyang mag-stay dito, guys. Natatakot siya. Kasi sabi niya sa akin, I'll stay in the car, mommy, alright? What is it, Baba?
I know someone.
Nurse?
I know someone.
I am mommy. I'm not a nurse.
It is the yellow one. It is the blue one.
This is a nice chair and table. Natatakot siya, guys, kasi akala niya is for her. Wow. That's very nice.
How do you see?
What is it now?
I said,
I'm not sick. You're not sick. We're not sick. We're just checking baby sister brother, okay? Yeah, that's right.
We got there. That's the new one.
Yeah, do you like it?
Yes, I like it.
Yeah, you can just have a look at it. Anyways, ito yung gagawin natin, guys. Non-invasive prenatal test. Yeah. And then, ayan. Harmony prenatal test, T21, T18, T13. Ayan, mga ganyan-ganyan, guys.
Oh, mommy, you feel well. Are you feel well?
Yeah, I'm feeling well, Baba.
Oh,
I'm not sick. Yeah, we'll wait until they call us, okay? Okay?
I'm good. Are you good?
I'm good.
Yes, you are.
Are you gonna stay there when mommy go in? Hmm?
So stay here and minute to get out here.
Yeah.
No, I'll stay here for minutes.
Yeah, but I can't leave you out here. I'll have to take you in. But This is for mommy. It's not for you. It's for baby, sister, brother. We'll check.
There's a woman go there.
Yes.
You want to go there, Mommy? You want to go there?
Yes. We have to wait until they call mommy's name.
Call my name in the books.
Yes.
Then it's answer the book.
Yep.
Well? Oh no, there's the
I'm
doctor.
feeling well.
I get that from the doctor there. The doctors.
You want me to go to the doctor?
Yeah, the doctor will be safe.
We'll be safe.
There will be safe right here now with that. Just a minute, I'll stay here with that.
Okay.
Alright?
Alright. You're very good.
No, I'm not good. You're good. You're the doctors.
Yeah, but you're very good too. Careful.
I'm trying. I'm just like, well, just do it again. Mommy, just do it again.
You just did it again. Careful. Be careful.
Look.
We don't want you to fall down.
I'm scared of the doctor.
You're scared of the doctor?
Yes, I'm scared.
That's why don't fall down.
Okay, I'll get the paper.
The coffee?
Coughing?
Yes, that's a coffee. They like that.
Who's coughing?
That's coffee the teacher do.
Tita is coughing.
Yes, that's a nurse.
The nurse is coughing. Oh my god. What do you do when you cough?
Like that?
You have to cover your
Mouth.
like that. Yep.
Like that one.
Yeah. You have to cover your mouth when you cough and you sneeze.
Whoa.
Show me, B, how to cover your mouth when you're coughing. Like that. Like that. Oh wow.
Like that, you could try mine. You go arms like that. Like that, try.
Okay, you're
Now
so
try
good.
to put your hands.
Like that.
No, mine, not there, like that. Look, mine, very good at that.
Oh, thank you, honey.
Hi, doesn't look as bad guy.
That's a doctor.
That's what the guy do, and this is the guy's boy.
That is a boy. Yeah.
Yeah, he's a girl. He's a girl. He's a girl too. He's a girl
Girl.
too.
That's right. Girl. They're girls.
That's two girls. Like that.
2 girls.
Me. 2 girls, me. The 2 girls, him, with them.
Yeah, 2 girls. Correct, honey. Well done.
The 3. The 3.
It's 3 now.
The 3 and 4 there. That is the baby in there.
Yes.
You sound like me, Ma. It's your ear like me.
Yeah, that's right. It's my ear like you.
And I've
Like
got
that.
0405.
Like that, Mike.
5.
The baby in the tummy.
Baby in the tummy. Hi guys! Time check tayo. It's now 5 o'clock ng hapon and kakatapos ko lang mag-work. And hindi ako nakapag-vlog kanina pagkatapos namin pumunta ng doktor because I was rushing guys. Kailangan ko kasing bumalik ng trabaho. And ayan. So ayan pa ang ating tanggalin na natin. Ayan. So natapos na ang ating NIP test and we have to wait for 8 working days before natin matatanggap yung resulta. Isisend nila yung result diretso sa doktor ko. Tapos yung doktor ko na lang yung magbe-message sa akin when the result is ready. And then we have to go back and make an appointment with her para i-discuss namin yung resulta. So, I'm hoping and praying that everything is fine with our baby, guys. I hope there's no abnormality or anything like that. Ang ating baby girl pala ay natutulog. Kaya yung ating boses ay hindi masyadong malakas. You know what, guys? She's been a really, really good girl today. Very chatty as well. She understands kasi na wala yung daddy niya dito. Ako lang mag-isa. At sinabi ko sa kanya kanina na mommy's working, ganito, ganyan. So, naintindahan niya, guys. So, pagka-uwi namin dito kanina, she was playing with her guitar. Tapos, I was on the phone sa work. And then, I was wondering why it went quiet. Tapos, pumunta ako ng bedroom to check her out. Nakatulog na pala ang ating baby girl, guys. So, nandun siya sa bed ngayon, natulog siya. You know what? Natulog siya by herself without me, you know, like, cuddling her or without me talking to her, anything like that. Natulog lang talaga siya, guys. Kaya, sobrang thankful ako sa kanya today kasi hindi niya in-stress si Mommy. And nakita nyo rin kanina, guys, when we were at the doctors, sobrang nag-alala talaga siya sa akin. Sobrang sweet talaga ni Baby Paris, guys. She is going to be an amazing big sister, I think. Yeah, so sinasabi niya sa akin kanina sa doktor na, is the nurse gonna be gentle, Mommy? Are you well, Mommy? Sabi nga ng nurse na, oh my God, she's so adorable. But yeah, I'm so hungry kasi kanina din, pagkatapos ng doktor nga, bumalik kami dito kaagad for work kasi kailangan ko nang bumalik. So, yung ginawa ko, guys, I ordered food from Uber Eats. Ay, hindi pala Uber Eats, Deliveroo. But, same lang yun, guys. So, I bought some fried chicken and chips. And you know what, guys? Nakalimutan nila yung drinks ko. So, bumili ako ng Sprite. Pero, pagdating dito, walang Sprite. Ininom siguro ni Kuya Driver. Hindi, sige. Nakalimutan siguro nila, guys. So, ayan yung ating chips. Ayan. So, makakain tayo. And Paris will have some of this. Make sure like that. So, it looks like this. So, in order ko half sweet and spicy and then half original kasi alam ko hindi kakain si Paris ng sweet and spicy. So, ayan. Bon appetit. Kain muna si mami niyo, guys, ha? Kasi sobrang gutom na ako. Gising na ang ating baby girl. Oh, so big mouth. Have a look. Chippy. There's no sauce. It's just chip.
There's no salt, it's just a clean.
Yeah, it's clean one.
Yes, that is
Can you give me one, please?
Of course, you want this?
Yes, please.
Of course.
Of course. Thank you, honey. You don't want one for yourself? Huh? Oh, no? You don't want one for yourself? I will try. It's very yummy. Super yummy.
I don't like chicken.
Not chicken, chips ba?
Yeah. Yeah.
What was that?
Oh,
What was that?
my oh,
Oot. Did you have a good nap?
my
What is that?
I like a cat that was cream.
You're like a cat.
Yeah. Now I don't do like that.
Meow.
But I do like doctors.
You don't like doctors?
It's you can go to the nurse.
Did we go to the doctors before?
You know what? I seen lower chairs.
Yeah. Did you come with mommy?
Yeah, my one to stay here and do that. I want to come now.
Mm-hmm.
I don't like a doctor say.
Yeah, but we didn't go there for you. We went there to check baby.
Yes, so he's go.
Baby okay?
Yes, it's okay. It's go. Baby, get out.
Okay.
What?
Hmm?
What?
Alright then.
Good.
Give me chicken, babe, please.
Good.
Hmm?
Very good.
Very good.
You very good at me.
Thank you, Paris.
Good, my. You very good at parents. You're very good at me.
Very good. You've been really good for mommy today. Thank
I
you.
want to make you happy. Eat lunch. Go.
Eat lunch
Eat lunch at school, my.
at school, yeah, to make mommy happy.
Yeah.
Mm,
It's spaghetti.
spaghetti. Wow.
It's spaghetti again.
Again.
This is it for two.
Oh, you're very sweet, Baba. Thank you for making Mama happy, ha?
Good.
Ah,
Alright.
alright. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy?
And when you're off him, my.
What?
Sino?
Yung daddy niya, guys, kaka-message lang. Yung train daw na stuck. Sabi niya, another 15 minutes ata. So, yeah. And, yeah, we're pretty sad kasi mag-lockdown na naman yung Melbourne, guys. So, plano sana namin bukas is pupunta kami ng, kina Jake, kina Jess. Pero, balik na naman tayo sa lockdown, guys. So, 5 kilometers lang yung dapat biyahin. And, at the moment, yung sabi nila, it is, until next Wednesday. So, for 5 days daw. But, we'll never know. They might drag it like the last time. So, we'll see how it goes. So, magiging bored na naman tayo nito, guys. Wala na naman tayong magawa. Hindi tayo na makakaalis. Nak, no? Yeah. May perfect time to clean up, I think, the house. Do some more washing and all. Nak, no? What are you doing, anak? What ba? Huh? No trash kiss, mommy. You've been a really good girl to mommy, anak. Thank you. Ayun, siya beautiful girl. Beautiful girl ni mama. What's your name? Ay, kanta sa Let It Go, babe. Can you sing Let It Go?
Let it go, let it go.
Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go.
Let it go. Nami Google Kaka inside the Google Kaka.
Cuckoo Kaka for baby.
There's me.
Hi, Daddy.
What's up?
Daddy is home.
You're looking handsome as hell. Okay, ready?
We're asking Paris, guys, anong name yung gusto niya for her brother or sister?
Okay, ready? My name is Daddy Mike.
And this is mommy.
This is baby Paris.
And this is mommy Jovey.
And then what's baby? Baby.
Kaza.
What's the baby's name?
Kaza.
Kaja?
Kasha.
Kasha.
If it's a girl, what's the name if it's a girl?
This is Jovey Kaza.
Kaza? How about if it's a boy?
Kaza.
Hey!
You can choose both, no? Hey,
I'd
what's
like to get some suggestions for some names.
what's brother's name?
And we got that one. He got a light sister.
Huh?
I got a light sister.
Casa?
Got a light sister.
What do you reckon, Bob? Put it to your audience, like, to give some name suggestions and we can think about them. Oh yeah, guys. Paris, sit down. Daddy's talking to the audience. Guys, hit us up in the comment section with some names, boys and girls names that we can consider for baby number 2. I really appreciate it. I got a few up my sleeve, but yeah, it'd be good to get a few others.
The shark is coming, guys. The shark is
Sige
coming.
guys, yun yung hinihiling ni Daddy Mike, guys. Mag-comment daw kayo sa comment section below kung meron kayong ang tawag dito, kung meron kayong suggestion, guys, sa pangalan ni baby, kasi at the moment meron na kaming nasa isip, but you know, it's good to have more options. So yeah, let us know in the comment section below, guys, mga suggestions niyo ng mga pangalan. For a girl or boy, kasi at the moment hindi pa natin alam kung girl or boy, diba? So, yeah.
The light broke.
But it'll be a surprise, guys. We're gonna tell you the name. It will be a surprise, but yeah. Let us know kung meron kayong suggestion. Kasi may mga pangalan na sinasuggest si Daddy sa akin and hindi ko type.